Come on, lost in the grass. Lost in the grass. Lost in the grass. That tastes good.
Okay, play with Donovan. There, he's coming to see you. Okay. He probably would like. Okay. Run with him. Not too fast though. You got to run kind of slow so he can see you. Give him a kiss on the nose.
I can't now.
Yeah, call him. Okay, yeah, give him a little kiss.
Kiss now. Kiss. Kiss on the nose.
Like that.
I have this in my mouth. Something to do.
Call him, honey. Be careful with him. Gentle. Okay, just kind of trot. Kind of trot, Lexi. He's behind you. Come back this way, not too far out, because then we can't get a good enough picture.